Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cribs that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a premium pick, or something in between, you're in the right place. All product links are in the description below, so let's dive right in. At number 4, we have the Baby Einstein Sea Dreams Soother in pink. Now technically, this isn't a crib, but a crib accessory. It's a musical sound machine designed to soothe your little one to sleep with calming ocean sounds and soft glowing lights. It's budget-friendly at just $31.99, making it a perfect add-on for parents who want to enhance their baby's sleep environment. The design is adorable and functional, with 25+ minutes of melodies and ocean sounds, plus a drift-off feature that gradually dims the sounds and lights to help lull your baby to sleep. It easily attaches to most crib rails or can sit on a nightstand. The remote control feature is a huge plus, allowing parents to adjust settings from up to 12 feet away. However, it does require batteries. Not included, so you'll need to keep that in mind for long-term use. The Sea Dreams Soother isn't a crib, but it's a great companion product for one. It's ideal for parents looking to create a calming sleep routine for newborns. Pros include its affordability and soothing features. Cons? It's not the main sleeping solution for your baby, and it's battery dependent. Still, it's a solid choice for what it aims to be. Taking the number 3 spot is the Pomo Babe Portable Crib Baby Playpen. This product is perfect for parents on the go, thanks to its lightweight design and the included carry bag. At $59.99, it strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality, making it an excellent choice for travel or small space living. The design is minimal and practical, featuring a mesh structure for maximum airflow and visibility, ensuring your baby stays comfortable and safe. It accommodates infants up to 33 pounds and has a soft mattress for added comfort. One standout feature is the compact folding mechanism. No tools are required, and it folds down to take up minimal space, making it easy to store or transport. However, with a weight limit of 33 pounds, it's more suited for younger toddlers. This crib is ideal for families who travel frequently or need a portable solution. Pros include its lightweight build, portability, and ease of use. On the downside, it lacks the longevity of a convertible crib and may not be as sturdy as a full-size crib. Still, it's a fantastic value for the price and a lifesaver for traveling parents. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Graco Premium Crib and Toddler Mattress. Although technically a mattress, this product is an essential component of any great crib setup. It's priced at $89.99 and packs a lot of features into its design, including Green Guard Gold and CertaPure US certifications, which ensure it's free from harmful chemicals and safe for your baby's health. The mattress is made of high-density polyurethane foam with a waterproof, machine-washable outer cover. This makes cleaning up messes incredibly easy, a big win for new parents. The firmness is just right for infants, and it fits all standard full-size cribs and toddler beds. The 10-year limited warranty is another plus, offering peace of mind about its durability. This mattress is for parents who want a safe, high-quality sleep surface for their baby without breaking the bank. Its safety certifications are a major highlight, and the easy maintenance adds to its value. However, it's not a crib in itself, so you'll need to pair it with a separate crib frame. Pros include its safety, durability, and ease of cleaning, while the only con is that it's not a standalone sleep solution. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Dream On Me Aiden 4-in-1 Convertible Mini Crib. This premium crib earns its top spot for its combination of versatility, durability, and sleek design. At $125, it's the most expensive option on our list, but it's worth every penny for parents looking for a long-term solution. The standout feature here is its 4-in-1 convertibility. It starts as a mini crib and can be transformed into a daybed or twin-size bed as your child grows, though twin-size rails are sold separately. Made from New Zealand pinewood, it boasts a sturdy and non-toxic build. The 3 mattress height settings allow you to adjust as your baby grows, and its compact size makes it perfect for smaller nurseries. Plus, it's Green Guard Gold certified, ensuring it meets strict safety and environmental standards. This crib is ideal for parents who want longevity in their investment. Pros include its stylish design, convertibility, and safety certifications. Cons, it's on the pricier side, and the twin-size conversion kit is an additional cost. Overall, if you're looking for a crib that grows with your child, this is the best option out there. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.